The fountain is very beautiful and amazing, standing 26.3 meters high and 49.15 meters wide. Fountain constitutes the terminal fountain of the Acqua Vergine, the aqueduct built by Agrippa General, son-in-law and collaborator of Augustus to feed his thermae at the Pantheon, inaugurated in 19 BC. The name of the aqueduct comes from a young girl, Virgo, who indicated the location of the spring to Agrippa's soldiers. Seriously damaged by the Goths in 537 and restored the first time in 790, the restoration of the aqueduct was commissioned in 1453 by Nicholas the Fifth Parentucelli, 1447–1455 to Leon Battista Alberti and Bernardo Rossellino. On this occasion a new fountain was built and restored by Giacomo della Porta in 1563. It consisted of a rectangular pond leaning against a supporting wall that bore an inscription with the coats of arms of Nicholas the Fifth and of the municipality. A new fountain was commissioned to Gian Lorenzo Bernini in 1640 by Urban the Eighth Barberini, 1623–1644.